For the first time in Summit's 9-year history, the Spartans played for the Class 5A State Football Championship in Cookeville. Summit brought half of Spring Hill with them as well, but despite the large contingent of fans, Old Sparty couldn't overcome a slow start and several uncharacteristic turnovers against defending champion Knoxville Central. Bobcat QB Dakota Farver completed 16 of 21 passes for 216 yards and 2 touchdowns. He was named the MVP, leading Knox Central to a 30-6 victory. Jason Merritt's added 2 rushing TDs for the Bobcats, including this 5-yard run early in the second. Trailing 14-0 early wasn't something Summit hasn't battled back from during this historic run, but the Spartans of late only appeared in short bursts all night.
They're a pretty good team, a well-coached team, but I mean, it wasn't anything special. Like, there wasn't anything that they had that we didn't have. We just weren't clicking. We just weren't playing our own football tonight.
I don't know if we were ready for that outside pressure they brought. Those 2 outside linebackers really good, and they came off the edge really, really fast. And we really couldn't kick them very well, and we couldn't wrap them very well. I mean, they just threw us off of our game a little bit. They've been here, done that, so I think they were probably settled faster than we were in the game. I believe, yeah. It was new to us. It was a new environment, like you said. It just took us a little while to get going, and by that time, maybe it was too late.
They had some pressure on me while passing and in the run game. We try to make some adjustments, watching the corners, what they would do. We had some good plays, but not enough.
Destin Wade was intercepted 3 times, and Summit came up empty in 3 trips inside the 20. The sophomore quarterback closed with 67 yards on the ground and 127 through the air.
On offense, we couldn't find our groove in the first half, but in the second half we had a little spurt of it, but overall we couldn't find it. That's what I think got us.
The Spartans' lone touchdown came early in the third on this Destin Wade 1-yard run. The scoring drive was triggered when Wade found Odomegu for a 64-yard bomb out of the gate. Summit pulled within 24-7 with 8:41 left in the third. Keaton Wade, who added 6 tackles in the defense, got a quick 3-and-out, and Summit had some life early in the second half. Destin Wade fired this 36-yard pass to John Casey on the ensuing drive, and the Spartans were moving. But the Bobcats dug in. Caleb Fortner with the sack on 3rd down, and Summit fails to convert after getting all the way to the Knox Central 6. Merritt's later scored with 7:44 to play on this 8-yarder as Old Sparty settled for runner-up in Class 5A.
It's the best season in Summit history, so I'm proud of that, and I know where we are and I know where we want to be. Just looking at it, it's a cool experience to have and a great memory to have. We have some returning players, and hopefully we'll make it back here in the next 2 years.
This was a tough year, and they saw a lot. I mean, they've been through a lot, and they're younger guys. I mean, a few juniors, so we really appreciate the seniors and the foundation they've laid. We love those guys. I mean, they're great character kids, and hate to lose them, but I think they've laid a foundation, and the younger guys now know how to play, I think.